Hello, welcome back. Now that we've learned how to notice and challenge our thoughts, we'll practice replacing unhelpful thoughts with healthier, true ones. In cognitive behavior therapy, this is called cognitive restructuring. This doesn't mean pretending everything is fine. It means choosing thoughts that are more balanced, realistic, and compassionate. Take a thought you've been working with, one that feels heavy and discouraging. Ask yourself, what is a more truthful and kind way to view this situation? For example, instead of thinking, I always mess things up, a healthier thought might be, I'm learning and growth takes time. Scripture gives us guidance here as well. Philippians 4 and 8 encourages us to think on what is true, honest, just, pure, and lovely. Replacing thoughts is not about denial, it's about alignment with truth. Another reminder comes from Isaiah 26 and 3, which says, Thou wilt keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on thee. Each time you choose a healthier thought, you create space for peace. This practice takes patience. Be gentle with yourself. Healing happens one thought at a time. Be blessed.